How to fix Google Docs not loading, Google Docs not opening or stuck? Try this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Docs not loading properly, whether it's stuck on a blank screen or just keeps buffering. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Google Docs needs a stable internet connection. If pages aren't loading, turn your Wi-Fi off and back on, or switch to mobile data. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots at the top right corner, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies, then click Clear Data. Restart Chrome and try opening Google Docs again. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions block docs from loading. Go to Chrome/extensions and turn off all extensions. Then reload Google Docs. If it works, turn extensions back on one by one to find the problem. Step 4. Try incognito mode or another browser. Press Ctrl-Shift-N on Windows or Command-Shift-N on Mac to open an incognito window. Then go to docs.google.com. If it loads, your normal browser settings or plugins are likely the issue. Step 5. Check Google Workspace status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side. Go to downdetector.com or search Google Workspace Status Dashboard to see if Google Docs is temporarily down. Step 6. Clear app data for mobile users. If you're on Android, go to Settings, Apps, Google Docs, Storage, Clear Cache, and Clear Data, then reopen the app. On iPhone, you can reinstall the Google Docs app to refresh it. Step 7. Update your browser or app. Make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome or the Google Docs app. Outdated versions often cause loading issues. And that's it. After these steps, Google Docs should load normally again. If this helped you, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching!